We're working on my 2002 Nissan Maxima. Check engine light's been on for a long time, but it started blinking, the light of death, and the engine was misfiring like crazy. I've had this problem before. It was the ignition coils, one or two of them, can't remember. So let's see if we can get some readings. So your OBD2 port is right there. You can see it right there. Plug that in. Fire up the car. And let's just take it down the road and back. Sometimes you have to be driving to get it to pop that code. That code will go on, it'll go off. You gotta catch it at the right time. So while I'm driving, we'll just go ahead and hit scan. One code found. Let's read them. So prior to taking these readings, I had already ran the scanner and found that bank 6 was my bad ignition coil. So with this picture, you'll see I have them labeled. So when you run your scanner, it'll tell you which bank is bad, and then you can go after that ignition coil. New spark plug for good measure.